Welcome to EDU World Space.
We want to use Mohr circle to analyze the area moments and area product for the L angle cross section from problem 78 with respect to new centroidal axes rotated by 30 degrees clockwise. So again, something about these axes here. And so we've analyzed this in a few problems before, so we know all of these values. And we know to get the principal axes, we need to rotate by 18.6 degrees. So something like this, I guess. And then we can just turn this into a geometry problem with Mohr circle. So the center of Mohr circle is at the average of these two values. So that's at 4.59 times 10 to the 6 millimeters to the fourth. Then once you know this point and we know this point, we can get the radius. And that's 3.85 times 10 to the 6 millimeters to the fourth. And this angle here is twice this. And so that is 37.3 degrees. And we want to rotate clockwise, about the axis clockwise about 30 degrees. So we need to go 60 degrees around Mohr circle. So this becomes 97 degrees here. So then we know this point, we know the radius, and we know all these angles. We can start doing the geometry, and we find that Ix prime up here is 5.08 times 10 to the 6th millimeters to the fourth. Iy prime, this value here, is 4.11 times 10 to the 6th millimeters to the fourth. And Ix prime y prime is this height here, and that is 3.82 times 10 to the 6th. And so we can actually see that if we were to go right in this axis here, which would be 45 degrees away from the principal axis, we would have that Ix and Iy would be equal to one another, and then Ixy would have its maximum magnitude.